students. I am your science teacher, Mr. Abhishek Awasthi. I will teach you today sorting materials into groups. Students, what is sorting? As we say that sorting different types of items and different type of things combined in different into groups, that is known as student sorting. As we go to the shopkeeper's shop, we saw the different type of things. As we know, the pulses are arranged in one group, rices are arranged in one group, and as we know, soap and shampoos are arranged in one group. Why are they sorting? Why are they sorting into different groups? Because they easily find it. That's why he's sorting different type of things in different places. Okay, students. Now we discuss about first of all things matter. What is matter? Students, matter that occupy space and that possess mass. मैटर एक ऐसा द्रव होता है जिसमें वो स्थान ग्रहण करता है और जिसमें द्रव्यमान होता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट मी डिस्कस अबाउट मटेरियल्स. All students, all different type of things is known as materials, or in other words we say that all different type of matters in combined form is known as materials. We take the example of the materials. First of all, on this plastic, wood, rice, pulses. What are substance? When different type of things are in combined form, are known as substances. Yeah. In other words, we say that when one or two type of materials are in combined, that is known as substance. Okay, students. Now we say that there are two type of substance. First are natural things, and second are man-made. What are naturals? Natural substances. Natural substance, students. Wood, cotton, rice, that are natural substances. Iron. Second is man-made substances. Man-made substances. Plastic, electronic items, now we discuss about, students, what are the characteristics of substances. There are three type of characteristics of substances, students. First of all, this when we touch any substances, like feel about smelling by touching, as like जब भी हम किसी सब्सटेंस को टच करके देखते हैं या उसको छू कर देखते हैं तो उसके बारे में हमको पता चलता है. सेकंड थिंग्स, व्हाट इज स्टूडेंट्स? ऑल सब्सटेंसेस हैज ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस. जितने भी सारे आपके सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं उनमें क्या होता है? स्पेस होता है. एज वी नो दैट ब्रिक एग्जांपल ऑफ रूम, दैट इज. एंड द थर्ड इज ऑल सब्सटेंसेस हैज मास. जितने भी आपके सारे सब्सटेंसेस उसमें क्या होता है? मास होता है. एज वी टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ द ब्रिक, that is have also mass. Take the example of the bucket, plastic, all occupies this mass. Okay, now we discuss about properties. There are two type of properties of substances. First of all of this is physical properties, and second is appearance. What is physical properties? On the physical properties, students, materials are divided into three groups. Physical properties. We can say that solid, liquid, and gases. What are the solids? It shows such type of matters that occupy more space and that has density more than liquid. We can say that example of solids are brick, iron, and the second thing is liquid. Liquid molecules is more freely movement than solid. We take the example of the liquid oil, milk, water, and the third thing is gases. What are the gases? Gases are those such matter which molecules are freely movable and very far apart to each other. We take the example of gases: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Okay, students. Now the second thing is appearance. On the appearance, some substances are divided into three groups. Let us see appearance. First of all is hardness. Hardness. As we know that about it, diamond is the most hardest substance in the world. Example of hardness: diamond, which is cut by the glass. Okay. Second thing, and we take the example of the very soft substance. Soft substance, students, sponge, thermocouple, that are the soft substance. Okay. Second thing is texture. As we know that some materials are smooth while some materials are rough in surface. Okay. Smooth, silk, rough, wool. Okay. Now we on the third is shiny. We know that what are the signs? As we take the example of the gold is yellowish in color, and as we take the example of the copper, that is reddish brown in color. As we take the example of the silver, that is whitish in color. Okay, students. So gold, copper, and silver. Okay, students. That is the. Now we define what is solubility in water. Let us see. On the basis of solubility, students, substances are divided in two categories. First is those are soluble in water or soluble substance, and second are non-soluble substance, which are non-soluble in water. Let us see. Soluble substance. Students, those type of substance which are soluble in water easily, that are known as soluble substance. We take the example of the soluble substance as sugar, glycerine, milk, that are the soluble substance. Second is non-soluble substance. Non-soluble substance. Students, those type of substances which are not soluble in water, or we can say that which are not mixed with water, that are non-soluble or unsoluble substance. We can say that. Example of iron, wood, plastic. Okay. Now we arises in our mind question: what is solution? Let us discuss about it. Solution. When one type of substance mixed with it, water, that is known as solution. Okay. Example of soluble substance, we can say in different words: a mixture that containing a substance and water, that is known as solution. Okay, let us discuss what are the example of solution. We can say that aerated cold drinks. Why we take the example of the aerated cold drinks? Because in aerated cold drinks, carbon dioxide gas is also dissolved on this. Now we take the second example. That we take the second example in water. In water, oxygen and carbon dioxide gas is both also dissolved. Okay, students. Now we discuss about the topic behavior towards light. Groups that divided into behavior towards light. Okay. Behavior towards light. On the behavior towards light, matters are divided into two types. First is let us discuss behavior towards lights. Materials are divided into three groups. First is, students, transparent. Such type of materials in which light passes easily, that is known as transparent materials. Or in other way, we can say that those type of materials in which easily passes the light, that is known as transparent materials. As we take the example of the transparent materials like glass, air and water. Now secondly, students, opaque materials. What is opaque materials? Students, such type of materials in which light do not pass through them, that is known as opaque materials. We take the example of, as we take the example of stone. You can see that in stone light passes. Is yes or no? Okay. So wood, stone, okay, or we can say that cardboard in which light not passed. Okay, and third is opaque and translucent. And third is translucent materials. Such type of materials in which partially amount of light passes, that are known as translucent materials. Okay, we take the example of the oiled paper, waxed paper or butter paper. These are the example of translucent materials. Okay, students. Now we discuss about the conduction of heat. As we take the example of in our houses, when our moms put the pressure cooker in LEDs or in gases, what happens? Then the क्या होता है उसमें, जैसे आप देखते हैं कि घरों में क्या होता है, जब भी घरों में हमारी मॉम क्या करती है, प्रेशर कुकर को रखती हैं गैस के ऊपर, तो उसमें क्या होता है, उसका जो कुछ भाग होता है वो किसका बना होता है, पूरा स्टील का बना होता है, जबकि दूसरा जो भाग होता है वो उसका हैंडल किसका बना होता है, हैंडल उसका आपका वुड का बना होता है या हार्ड प्लास्टिक का बना होता है. ओके, why this process is happen? Then what is the process of conduction of heat? As we know that if the handle is not made up of wood or hard plastics, then the conduction of heat passes through the one end to another end. And when we pick up the pressure cooker, then what we feel? Then we feel the hotness on the pressure cooker, and we could not pick up the pressure cooker. Okay, like so. First of all is on the basis of conduction of heat, materials are divided into two types. First is good conductors of heat. Good conductors of heat. Such type of materials in which heat passes in easily way, that is known as good conductors of heat. We take the example of good conductors of heat are silver, copper, aluminum. Examples of good conductor: silver, copper, aluminum. Second is, students, non-conductors of heat. Non-conductors of heat. Such type of material, students, in which no amount of heat is passes, or we can say such type of amount of heat, such type of metals in which no heat goes. As we say that bakelite, wood, that is. And the last is, students, poor conductors of heat. Poor conductors of heat. Such type of materials in which heat passes but slowly amount, that is known as poor conductors of heat. Okay, as we take the example of air, water. Okay, students. So, students, that are the type of conduction of heat, three types. Okay. Let me discuss about magnetic and non-magnetic substances. First of all is magnetic substance. As we know that, students, what are magnets? Magnet that attracts the iron nails towards itself, that is known as magnet. And what are the magnetic substance? The definition of magnetic substance are just opposite. Such type of materials that attach to magnet itself. Okay, ऐसे टाइप के आपके materials होते हैं जो magnet को अपनी ओर अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. We take the example of the examples: iron, nails, pins. Okay. Second is, students, non-magnetic substance. Non-magnetic substance. Such type of substance that do not attract the magnets towards itself, that is known as non-magnetic substance. We take the example of non-magnetic substance: wood, plastics are non-magnetic substance. Okay, students. Let us discuss about next topic: conductors and non-conductors of electricity. Conductors and non-conductors of electricity. First we see the conductors. What are the conductors? The students, conductors are those type of materials in which electricity flow very easily, that is known as conductors. या क्या सकते हैं ऐसे टाइप के पदार्थ जिनमें विद्युत का प्रवाह आसानी से होता है, उसको सुचालक बोलते हैं, कंडक्टर्स. As we take the example of the conductors: aluminium, silver, copper, as we know that in our house wiring the wires of copper is very much used. Why are not wires of silver is used? Because the cost of silver is more than copper, so we can't use the wire of silver. As we know that the silver is the good conductor, best good conductors of electricity. So much silver cost is much more than any other substance. We not prefer in wiring silver's wires. Okay. Second is non-conductors. We take the example of the non-conductors as wood, plastic. Non-conductors means in which electricity, in which not any amount of electricity flow through them. इसका मीन्स ये होता है कुचालक, जिनमें विद्युत का प्रवाह बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता, उसको क्या कहते हैं? कुचालक कहते हैं. एज वी टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ द वुड एंड प्लास्टिक्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये आपके विद्युत के कुचालक होते हैं. ठीक. सो today's topic is completed and we concluded all the contents that present on the topic. So students, keep watching our videos and keep students continue. Thank you. Have a nice day.